Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Our today's lecture is for class 9 biology chapter number 4 and page number 70. Today we will study about the tenacity of a solution and how it affects the passage of molecules into and out of the cell. Previously, we have studied about the osmosis and its process and how it affects by the concentration of a solute in a mixture. And the rules of osmosis can be best understood through the concept of tenacity of solution. So let's move toward the concept of tenacity. The term tenacity refers to the relative concentration of solutes in the solution being compared. Here the question arises why we are studying the tenacity. Because there are many water balance problems occur due to the disbalance of the concentration of solute and solvent in a solution. Either we talk about the animal cell or plant cell, both of cells get affected by the concentration of solute in the solution. There are basic three types of tenacity of a solution: hypertonic, hypotonic and isotonic. And we have divided it into these three types on the basis of amount of solute present in the solution. In the relevance of solute, we define hypotonic solution has relatively more in amount of solute. So the hypotonic solution has relatively more amount of solute. How? There is an example that can make you understand better. As we all know, epidermis is the layer of leaf that is present on the leaf. It has stomatas. Okay, stomatas are basically the pores which help in transpiration of plant and many other functions as well. So these stomatas that are present on epidermis of a plant is basically surrounded by the guard cells. Their main function is to produce glucose, and in the daytime these cells are producing more amount of glucose. So here glucose is the solute that is present over here. So at daytime the solution of this plant cell would be the hypotonic. Let's move toward the second type, the hypotonic solution. Hypotonic solution has relatively less solute. The example is the nighttime situation of a plant cell when the activity of guard cell, which is basically the production of glucose, reduces and the water molecules that are present inside are going outward. That is the basic reason behind the formulation of dewdrops. So I think now you are able to understand why the dewdrops are formulated on the top of leaves in the morning while you go for the walk, and you felt that the plants are wetty and they give you soothing effect. The next type is isotonic solution. So we have studied about the less solute concentration, more solute concentration. Now we are discussing about the isotonic solution which has equal concentration of solutes. So the amount of water going in and amount of water going out is equal over here. So this is the normal state for animal cell and flaccid state for isotonic plant cell. So the animal cells remains normal in this isotonic solution and plant cells would be flaccid in this situation. We will study the details in the next lecture. I hope you understand the tenacity of solution so well. Have good day and thank you for your attention.